Hello guys, welcome back extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix something with wrong problem on Snapchat. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting. From here you tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the 30 seconds you have turned it on. Go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode. At least the 30 seconds you have turned it off. And after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down, then tap on journal, then tap on iPhone storage. Wait some second. Search for this Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat. Then make sure that tap on offload your app. And after a few minutes, you have again install. And after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back. Scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back your home screen and open your app store, and from here you search for this Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat. Make sure that up to date your Snapchat app, and after up to date your Snapchat app, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.